Welcome to Progressive Kids channel. Learn more.
Hello, my dear little friends. Today we learn bird's name.
Come with me, little friends. I will show you Feathery world. Here you will enjoy lots of birds.
Hi, I am Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, Parrot. Hi, I am Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, Peacock. Hi, I am Crow. C-R-O-W, Crow. Hi, I am Duck. D-U-C-K, Duck. Hi, I am Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, Sparrow. Hi, I am Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, Penguin. Hi, I am Eagler. E-A-G-L-E, Eagle. Hi, I am Swan. S-W-A-N, Swan. Hi, I am Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, Pigeon. Hi, I am Kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, Kingfisher. Hi, I am Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, Ostrich.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.